all, I want to congratulate Bogmalo Chikolna Panchayat for taking initiative to use solar energy for waste management. Whatever machinery that will run inside, whatever in the waste treatment plant, the lighting that will be necessary, as well as outside, will all run on solar system, which is, I think, the first among all the panchayats in entire Goa as far as waste management is concerned. म्हणून हांव तेंची तोखणाय करता आनी हे म्हाका दिसता एक पॅटर्न कशें हांव आख्खे गोंयान करतलो बिकॉज इट इज अ व्हेरी गुड थिंग. वी विल सेव ऑन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. Whatever excess electricity that will be generated will be put back in the grid, so it will help our to bring down the load or requirement of electricity at very high cost. ही एक नवीन स्कीम करून even for waste management I will do it. Of course, we have done similar thing under Swaympur Goy in Usgaon Panchayat, where I think our BDO here is the Swaympur Mitra there. So tingai kelle asa, but not for waste management. This is the first plant of waste management where we are using solar energy, solar panel. Another good scheme what Panchayat of Bogmalo Chikolna has introduced today is a free distribution of the this organic manure which is rather produced here. सगळे घरांनी ल्हान ल्हान पॅकेट करून ते वाडटले, म्हणजे तेंच्या झाडांनी बरी हेल्दी जातली. थोडी झाडां रोयल्ली आहा ती fruit bearing trees are there, they will get better yield, and this is the way they want to keep the village clean and green. Of course, I am going to inaugurate on the beach which we had promised एक बरो टॉयलेट बांदतलो, तो टॉयलेटूय आमी आतां इनॉग्रेट करपाक येता. So even अंत वेळार when the term is just ending, they are doing very good work. I mean, they have done all the 5 years. So I think this is the way my panchayats are functioning, and particularly Bogmalo Chikol. So not in my background. Garbage सगळ्यां क्लीन केल्ली जाय, पूण आपले घरा समोर नाका, सायडीन नाका, मातशें दिश्टी पडटा तसो नाका. This is not a correct thing. Panchayats will, as much as possible, all the panchayats in Goa try to select neutral sites. जे कोणा लिस्ट प्रॉब्लेम जाता ते कमीचे कमी प्रॉब्लेम जाता ते सिलेक्ट करतात, पूण सगळे कडेन तितलेच बरे सायट मेळपा ना न्हू. सो तेणी चिंतपा जाय लोकांनी. पूण वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट जावपाकूच जाय. इनफॅक्ट जस्ट द अदर डे आय टोल्ड माय ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर वी हॅव टू सिट अगेन अँड really draw out a plan that we finish the garbage menace in entire Goa. Panchayats have to sit with other departments as well, so that once for all, in the next 6 months, I said it should be in mission mode. की आमी गार्बेज प्रॉब्लेमू सोंपोवपाचो, तशें आमी करपा जाय.